Hey friends, this is Harry Viral, and today I want to share with you one most important reason why you should have a mentor. Now, a mentor is the same thing as a coach. The only difference is that there are certain types of mentors you should have in your life. You see, some people depend on having free mentorship. They think that if they work with someone or they trust someone in their family or they look about the world, that somehow, some way, a mentor will show up in their life. And that's exactly what I thought when I was ready to become successful. I knew I needed a mentor, and so I looked for all these people to show me what I thought I need to know. But once I found out that they weren't exactly qualified to mentor me in the way that I wanted to be mentored, I looked for a serious business coach. I looked for a person who would help me to elevate my results and take me to the next level. I went from barely making ends meet to becoming financially independent because I hired a coach that really cared about what I wanted to do. You see, my coach showed me exactly how I should be thinking about certain problems, how I should face certain realities, how I should deal with certain circumstances, and it changed my world. Now, let me get into the 5 reasons why you need to have a mentor. The first reason why you need a mentor is to learn the unknown. You say you don't know what you don't know until someone comes along and shows you. You see, I didn't know where I was gonna go, what I was gonna do until someone came along and gave me some ideas. They gave me some potential solutions to the problems I was facing at the moment. If I didn't have a mentor, I don't know what I would have done because I was running into walls before I even had someone come into my life, because my mentor showed me that it was not a wall but a doorway. It allowed me to enter through the hallways of success. When you have a mentor, they open up your mind by showing you new ideas, new perspectives, and new ways of thinking that you never would have considered before. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you know anyone that needs this type of video, please share it with them. See you in the next video.